Hi YouTube, it's me, ShutterBug, and this week I've been doing not very many things. I had school, I've had a few friends over last weekend, and I have a friend coming over today, but this friend will be on next video probably, or next Monday's video. Not Monday, sorry, I can't talk. Next Friday's video. We might have a Monday video coming out. I'm not sure if we're going to film today, but if we do, hey, that's going to be fun. And, here we go.
Hi you guys, it's me, ShutterBug, and you've met this one before. I'm pointing at you. We are at the waterfront just because we can, and I can't see anything, so I don't know what I look like right now. I'm going to show you the waterfront a little bit. There's my friend. There's the beautiful water. I don't know if it's blurry. I can't see anything because the sun is in my eyes. I decided I need to get out of the house, and Jack was only too happy to accompany me. I'm always happy to do it. So, yeah, and I've been thinking a lot about my relationship with Shane and stuff, and I'm just like, I need to get out of the house because we haven't really spoken much in 3 weeks, so that's going on, but yay, girl time, kind of. Have anything to say? No? No? Not at the moment. Just enjoying this. She was, what were you doing earlier? Picking things out of the water. What were they? The mussels off of the rock underneath. She was taking them and then tossing them in the water with the fish. She knows it's too cold, so there's no point. We need to come back in the summer and do this again. And then after this, we're going to the mall. I might get some video of that. I might not. Yeah, it's really peaceful out here, and I think she wants me to stop vlogging. I don't care. She doesn't care. She wants her music back. I told her we had to turn off the music so we can vlog. Because most of the song that came on, Life is a Highway by Rascal Flatts was coming on. I'm like, we need to turn off the music because YouTube gets mad at me if I have any music. No. That is any music that's not mine in my videos. So we turned off the music. She looks so happy, doesn't she? I don't know if you can see her. There she is. She looks so happy. On the dock, on the water, in the sun. Nope. Okay, a little bit of clouds. Very little clouds. It's a good thing. It's just cold as hell. So I mean, it's warmer than yesterday. It's warmer than yesterday. It's Washington State, you guys, so it's freezing anywhere you go. Yeah. See you guys later. Hey guys, I try to imagine what it'd be like to be a vlogger in LA because when I'm vlogging here, nobody else is vloggers, so I'm like, everybody's looking at me like I'm weird or something, but I imagine in LA there's a lot more vloggers because all of my favorite vloggers on YouTube are from LA, and then there's Lena, who is the overly attached girlfriend who lives in Texas, which she might feel like I do if she ever vlogs in public. I also, I don't know, does anybody else feel like it's weird to vlog in public? Let me know in the comments, because I'm curious. And we are at the mall actually right now, my friend Jack and I. She's getting food over there. She's at the Mongolian Grill. Yum! She's blurry because I don't feel like focusing her. But yeah, we're at the mall, and she's getting food. And I'm gonna share food with her because I am a glutton and I love my food. So yeah, just curious about what you think about vlogging in public. Okay, bye you guys. You can say anything. Hi guys, it's me, ShutterBug, as you know. And this is my friend. His name is Kellen. You met this dork. Hi guys. I don't know about that dork over there. We're eating lunch. I'm so done. This is my lunch. It's not focused. It's supposed to focus. It's Hot Pockets and Mountain Dew. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's zoom in there. He has Mountain Dew too. Mountain Dew. He has. Oh.
It does weird things to my voice.
Can you give me a...
Okay. I need a bit more.
Well, your voice is going to be chipmunkified too. I do everybody's voice chipmunkified at the same time. So yeah, really high pitch. You should make. Can you give me a 10 now? Perfect. I was gonna like vomit. We'll get it in on camera form. I'll bet like $5 and $6. Actually, I run. Yeah, I'm cheap as fuck.
You laughing makes it hard. No.
Oh, that was a big letdown.
I can in a bit. You gotta give me a minute.
Hey Brianna, do you want to try belching?
Oh no, I will vomit. I will vomit everywhere. I'm really good at farting though.
Okay, everybody. Oh, he's gonna get it. That was an 8. It was an 8. Okay, say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye everybody. Yes,
And that was last week of my life. I'm waiting for my friend to come over. I woke up at 10:30, was supposed to wake up at 9:30. And I cleaned the whole kitchen and it's spotless and it's beautiful. And she woke late, so it's good because otherwise this video would have probably been later, which isn't good. I like to stay on a schedule for you guys because you guys are awesome. And yeah, that's about it. Don't forget, you guys, every step you take is a step closer to your dreams. So start walking. See you soon.